You clicked on the right video. You've probably watched a lot of videos already, trying to figure out how to make money online, but none of them actually worked for you. Maybe they all said the same things: dropshipping, surveys, or some app that promises fast money but never pays. And after trying everything, you're still stuck in the same place. That's exactly why this video is different. In this video, I'm going to show you real and genuine ways that people in the United States are using right now to make money online. These are beginner-friendly methods. You don't need any experience, and you don't need a lot of money to start. But there's one important condition. You need to listen carefully and not skip any part of this video, because sometimes one small detail can completely change your results. Before we talk about the methods, let's be real for a second. Making money online is not magic. You're not going to wake up tomorrow with thousands of dollars in your account, but making your first $10, then $50, then eventually reaching $100 per day, that is completely possible. Thousands of people in the US are already doing it, and the only difference between them and most beginners is that they're using the right strategies. They're not chasing hype. They're not falling for fake promises. They're using simple, repeatable systems that actually work. And today, you're going to learn those same systems. The first method is something very few people talk about, and it's called micro-task flipping. This is one of the easiest ways to start, because you don't need any skills. Here's how it works. There are freelancing platforms where people post small jobs every day. These jobs can be as simple as writing a short caption, formatting a document, doing basic data entry, or creating a simple design. Most people go on these platforms to do the work themselves, but instead of working, you're going to think like a business owner. You're going to accept the job, and then you're going to hire someone else to do it for cheaper. For example, if a client is paying $30 for a task, you can hire someone to complete that same task for $10. You keep the remaining $20 as profit. You're acting like a middleman. And this is exactly how many online businesses operate. If you do this just 5 times a day, you've already made $100. And the best part is, you didn't need any special skill to do it. The second method is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now, and that is using AI to create and sell content. In 2026, businesses are desperate for content. They need social media posts, blog articles, email campaigns, product descriptions, and more, but they don't have the time to create all of it themselves. That's where you come in. You can use AI tools to generate high-quality content in minutes. You don't need to be a writer. You just need to know how to give simple instructions. Once you generate the content, you can sell it to small businesses, content creators, or marketing agencies. For example, you can charge $10 for a social media post, $50 for a blog article, or even more if you bundle your services. Since AI is doing most of the work, you can complete multiple orders in a short amount of time. This is how beginners are scaling quickly and turning simple content into real income. The third method is short-form content clipping, and this one is extremely powerful right now. You've seen short videos everywhere: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. These platforms are growing faster than ever, and creators need more short content to stay relevant. But editing takes time, and most creators don't want to do it themselves, so they hire people to do it for them. Your job is simple. You take long videos, like podcasts or YouTube videos, and cut them into short, engaging clips. Then you add captions, maybe some background music, and that's it. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $20 per clip. If you create 10 clips per day, you can easily reach $50 to $200 daily. The best part is, this skill is easy to learn, and there are free tools available to help you edit quickly. The fourth method is digital product reselling, and this is one of the smartest ways to make money online without creating anything yourself. Digital products include things like ebooks, templates, courses, and planners. Many of these products come with resale rights, which means you can legally sell them and keep the profits. For example, you might find a digital product for $10 and sell it for $25. That's a $15 profit on a single sale. If you sell 10 products a day, you've already made $150. The key here is to focus on products that solve a real problem, such as productivity templates, budgeting guides, or business tools. When people see value, they're willing to pay. The fifth method is local business lead generation, and this is where things can really scale. Local businesses in the United States are always looking for new customers. Whether it's a plumber, a dentist, or a gym, they need leads to grow their business. Your job is to help them get those leads. You can create a simple online page, run traffic to it, and collect contact information from potential customers. Then you sell those leads to local businesses. Each lead can be worth anywhere from $10 to $50, depending on the industry. If you generate just 5 leads per day, you can make anywhere from $50 to $250. This method requires a little effort up front, but once it's set up, it can become a consistent source of income. The sixth method is something called service packaging, and this is more about how you present your offer. Most beginners make the mistake of selling individual services, like I will edit videos, or I will design posts, but instead of selling services, you should sell results. For example, instead of offering video editing, you can offer a package like, I will create 30 viral short videos to grow your social media. Now you're not just selling a task, you're selling an outcome. This allows you to charge much higher prices. A package like this can easily sell for $100, $300, or even $500, depending on the value you provide. It's the same work, but with better positioning. The seventh method is niche page monetization, and this is more of a long-term strategy. You create a page around a specific topic, such as finance, motivation, or online business. Then you post content consistently and grow an audience. Once your page starts getting views, you can monetize it in multiple ways. You can promote affiliate products, sell your own digital products, or even get paid for shoutouts. The key here is consistency. If you post daily and focus on providing value, your page will grow over time. And once it grows, it can generate passive income every single day. Now here's the most important part of this entire video. You don't need to try all these methods at once. In fact, that's the biggest mistake beginners make. They jump from one method to another without giving anything enough time to work. Instead, pick one method that makes sense to you. Focus on it for at least 30 days. Learn it, practice it, and improve your process. Once you start seeing results, then you can expand or try something new. Success online doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing one thing consistently and doing it well. If you stay consistent, if you avoid distractions, and if you focus on real methods like the ones I just shared, there is no reason why you can't start making money online. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you don't quit. And remember, every expert you see today started exactly where you are right now, with zero experience. So take action today. Don't just watch this video and move on. Choose one method, start small, and keep going. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results.